The idiom jack of all trades refers to someone who has a wide range of skills and abilities, but often lacks deep expertise in any one area. It paints a picture of a versatile individual who can handle various tasks, making them quite adaptable in different situations. However, there's a catch. The full phrase is actually jack of all trades, master of none, which implies that while a person may be competent in many things, they may not excel in any particular field. For example, think about a small business owner who manages everything from marketing to accounting to customer service. They might be able to create a decent website, balance the books, and engage with customers effectively. However, if you were to ask them to design a high-end marketing campaign or conduct a detailed financial analysis, they might struggle compared to a specialist in those areas. This is where the idiom really comes into play. It highlights the balance between being a generalist and a specialist. The origin of this idiom dates back to the 16th century. The phrase was initially used in a more positive light, suggesting that being skilled in many areas was a valuable trait. However, over time, the latter part of the phrase gained traction, shifting the meaning to emphasize the potential downsides of being a generalist. It's fascinating how language evolves, isn't it? When using this idiom, it's important to consider the context. If you're praising someone for their versatility, you might say they're a jack of all trades in a positive light. But if you're pointing out that their lack of specialization is holding them back, you might want to use the full phrase, jack of all trades, master of none. This distinction can help convey your message more clearly. A tip for using this idiom correctly is to be mindful of the audience and the situation. In a professional setting, it's often more constructive to focus on the strengths of being adaptable rather than the limitations. For instance, if you're discussing a team member who excels in various roles, you might highlight their ability to pivot and support different projects rather than framing it as a lack of depth in any one area. In summary, the idiom jack of all trades captures the essence of versatility, but it's essential to recognize the nuances in its meaning. Whether you're celebrating someone's adaptability or critiquing their lack of specialization, understanding the context will help you use this idiom effectively.